Hi, I want to show you a game we're going to call inventory. The idea is that with all inventories, you're going to count the number of objects you have and all the different types. So in this case, we're going to do an inventory of around 15 objects. Just choose whatever you want and whatever you have at home that can fit in this case, I have a bag. I have some cotton balls. I have elastic bands. And I also have some pennies. This is what we're going to do. You're going to just hide some objects in the bag for your child so that your child doesn't see how many you're hiding. We're going to put all the coins to a side. So here we go. You're going to shake them. You can have different objects, so whatever you want. Take them out of the bag and then ask them to count. In this case, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cotton balls, and I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elastic bands. So one of the questions is, how many do you have in total? Right? We can ask and then wait for the child to answer. We can ask them to count how many objects they have and also how many of each. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cotton balls, and I'm going to represent them. I'm going to draw my 5 cotton balls, and I am going to write the number 5. That's how I'm going to represent them. And then it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elastic bands, and I'm going to represent them as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to put them all together. I'm going to do the number 7. And now comes the question. How many do we have in total? That's my total inventory. Some kids may be able to tell you, write the number right then. Some may need to count, and it's okay. You just give them time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we ask them to write the numbers as well. So we know that 5 plus 7 is 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. And now what we're going to do is we're going to say, let's create a collection. We had 12 items here, using our coins to create a collection of 12 coins. Are you ready? Ask them to count and just come up. So if there were 12, we're going to need 12 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 and 12. There we go. The idea is that kids really love to put their hands inside a bag and try to pick up objects and then count them. We need to just give them time to be able to count to be able to match the objects and to be able to represent them. And the question for them is always, how do you know? How do you know that these were 5? How do you know that these were 7? Can they show you? And how do they know that all of them made 12? You can change the number of objects and you can ask them to do the same. And I hope you have fun.